needs a shoulder to cry on. Everyone needs a helping hand. Everyone needs someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light. Let Him lead the way, lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share a Decorate With Me video. I'm going to show you some neutral Halloween decorating ideas and DIY projects. I hope you enjoy.
If we come together as one, help each other get stronger, we are bound in the name of the Lord.
So guys, I found this pumpkin pie dish recently while I was out thrifting. I absolutely loved it, but I decided to spray paint it white so it would go better with my neutral decor.
Lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light. Let Him lead the way, lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray.
Guys, I absolutely love this little print of the ghost with his coffee that I recently got off Etsy. I love it in my ornate frame.
Oh, pray. So let's come together. Yeah, let's come together. We lift our hands up and pray. Lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light. Let Him lead the way, lift our hands up and pray today.
I absolutely love changing out my ornate frames, guys, with small little prints from Etsy. There is so many cute and adorable ones, guys, on there, and I love changing them per season.
You went there every summer.
Now guys, I really love decorating in that vintage glam style. I love everything ornate, and my heart skipped a beat, guys, when I was recently in Eureka Street Furniture here in Australia, and I discovered these beautiful glam rustic prints.
Let yourself heal. It's easy to feel. Let yourself heal. It's easy to feel.
Now guys, you may remember in my TK Maxx haul, I recently picked up these rattan pumpkins. Now I wanted to show you something just really inexpensive to do when it comes to upgrading your pumpkins. I knew straight away I wanted something really special, and I happened to be watching my friend Jessica Smallwood on her channel, and she just recently uploaded her home tour for fall. And oh my goodness guys, if you want to see a beautiful home, I definitely recommend that you check out Jessica's channel. But I noticed that she had decorated a pumpkin this way, and I knew straight away that is what I wanted to do to my rattan pumpkins. Now, a big shout out to Jessica for inspiring me to create this with her wonderful idea. I'll leave a link to her video down below, guys, so you can go and check out her amazing, beautiful home and tell her that Chelle sent you.
It's how you choose to remember it. If only we could capture it and its glow. But no, it's easy to feel. Oh, let yourself heal. It's easy to.
Guys, I absolutely love incorporating rustic glam and that vintage glam together. I just love the neutral tones that is very calming in my home.
Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself a much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open.
So guys, you may have noticed that I have changed out the pink. Now, as much as I absolutely love my pink, all year round, guys, I tend to create more of a neutral toned home because my husband prefers it that way. But I always love decorating for you and bringing you ideas in different colours.
Where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free, but it's overwhelming how people can hate on me.
Now, you know you girls Chelle don't necessarily decorate scary when it comes to Halloween, but I love bringing out my pumpkins, guys, and my cute and adorable decor that I picked up this year at TK Maxx.
'Cause if I shut down, it just gives them right.
Leave me a comment down below what colour you'll be decorating this season.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open, where no one can break me, and no one can bring me down. I wanna be where I'm safe and sound. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open.
If if you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home.
I wanna stay wide open.
I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves to share my passion for home decor. I share DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours of my home. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light, let Him lead the way. Lift our hands up and pray today, oh pray.
Now my upload schedule, guys, is twice a week. I upload every Wednesday and Friday morning at 8 a.m. Australian time.
Need someone who cares.
I really appreciate you supporting my channel, guys, and I'll see you Friday morning for more videos here at Chelle's Glam Home.